Hi guys! In this video, let's do a word problem. So the problem is, how many ways can the word animal be arranged if both the letters A are next to each other? Let's find out! So here, let's write the word animal. So here, if we have both the A together at the same, so it would be A, N, I, M, L. So if the A's have to be next to each other, we can actually just make the A's as one whole letter. Instead of two A's, we can just have A. So A, N, I, M, L. So here we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. So that means we would just do 5 factorial, which equals 120. So here, if we switch both those around, we would need to multiply this by 2, but we don't need to, because then we would get duplicates. So that means the word animal can be arranged 120 times if both the letters A are next to each other. So 120 is the answer. Let's do math every day. And like this video.